Hello, my gorgeous family. Welcome to Blessing Cook House. How are you guys doing today? As for me, I am doing very well by the special grace of God. I am so excited to be with you guys today. In today's video, we are going to be making a budget friendly fried rice. Whatever you have in your house, left over in your fridge, bring it out and we will make this beautiful, delicious fried rice. These are all the ingredients that I am using. I am using electric fry pan, so I put a little bit of oil, and after that I went in with the bacon, and I will continue stirring it until the bacon has turned golden brown the way I want it. And after that, I just remove the bacon from the pan. Then I will now go in with a little more oil in order for me to start frying the shrimp. This is a very quick fried rice. If you don't have time on hand, don't worry. This recipe is very quick and it's very fast. I put all my prawns in it and I will just turn everything around until the whole side has cooked. Do not overcook the prawns, okay? Because if you overcook prawns, they turn out to be a little bit chewy. And if you don't want that, please do not overcook them. As that has happened, guys, I turned everything around and I repeat the process by putting the other remaining. The first one that I've already put in is all finished and ready, and I just move that and put that away. So I will repeat this process, guys, until all my prawns have been fried, and we will now move on to the next step, what I will be doing after this. It's time for me to fry the chicken, so I went in with a little bit of oil. Then after that, I went in with chicken. I am using chicken thigh in this video, but feel free to use any part of the chicken that you want. Make sure no bones in it. It have to be boneless chicken. You can use chicken breast, but for me, I love chicken thigh. So guys, I will mix everything together until my chicken has turned golden brown, and I will cover the pot so that the cooking process will speed up. It's time for me to check the chicken, and as you can see, it's almost done, but I want the liquid to evaporate. As the liquid has evaporated, I will just go ahead and I will remove the chicken from the fry pan, and now we will start the putting together process for this simple, delicious fried rice. As that has happened, I went in with a little bit more oil. Then I went in with the garlic, the ginger, onion, everything. And I will just put in the fry pan and I will mix everything together beautifully. As that has happened, I now went in with the mushroom. Mushroom need to be cooked, okay, before you can eat them. They are not good to eat them when it's not cooked. So after that, for a few seconds, I went in with my mixed vegetable. Use any mixed vegetables of your choice. And I will put everything together and I will continue to mix everything. But please do not overcook the vegetable because this is a fried rice. I went in with a little bit of Maggi cube and then followed that with salt. Put Maggi and salt according to your taste. This is one pot budgetless fried rice that we are making. I cover the pot so that the vegetable will steam a little bit to speed up the process. And after that, guys, I now come back to mix everything together. And after I have mixed all together, I now put everything, the prawns, the bacon, the chicken, I put everything together. This food is almost done. And after that, guys, I went in with my rice. The color of the rice changed because I used turmeric in it because I love my fried rice to be yellow. That's why the color is yellow. I now combined everything together. Didn't I say this is a very quick and fast fried rice? Trust me when I say it's fast. It's very, very fast. I make this fried rice in the night here. That's why you are saying the lightning is a little bit off. I'm very sorry, okay? I was doing this fried rice and I said, you know what? I am just going to video this and just put it out there for my YouTube family. And this is the recipe, guys. The fried rice is all finished. And now it is time for me to garnish it with spring onion. I just love that vibrant, beautiful green color in my fried rice whenever I finish making it. Isn't this looking good, guys? Please give this recipe a try. Guys, this is it. The fried rice is all finished. And I will try it for you guys to tell you people how it is. And it is very delicious. God bless you all.